Yes, good afternoon. Good morning to all of me subscriber. Big up to all the people who like the video. Big up on yourself. But today we come for a reason because one heap of people always say to me, it's a in demand. Why you go back to Jamaica? Nothing there Jamaica. That's not true. That is not true. Let me give you a little story. In order to gain something, you have to lose something. In order for Bob Marley be the greatest of all time in a Jamaica genre, in a Jamaica culture, him have to die. Let me say it again. In order for Bob Marley be who he is, him have to die to transform and be who he is right now. In order for Vybz Kartel be the superstar which him is right now, him have to go to prison. For a man who have whole heap of abs and stuff, him have to go to the gym. So me telling you something, people, in order to be better or strive, you have to give up something. And in me, in order to be a better person who I am, healthier living, a peace of mind, and all of that, me have to give up something. No, I am giving up America. I'm giving up the US currency to go to Jamaica to have a peace of mind and a healthy life and all of that. Enough people that say, but you give up so much for something where you're unsure. But listen to this. In a life, everything is unsure. Everything. Because if you get a girl pregnant, there is no surety so the baby will come. She can have a miscarriage. When you jump in your car, if you start the car, there's no surety so the car will start. So everything in life is unsure. So for the people when I go back to Jamaica, don't make nobody convince you to say nothing down there. A whole heap of things down there. A whole heap of things down there. You see what I say? More things down there than what we even know. Yes. And for all of the people, as I say, like and share, like the video and comment on the video. It helps the channel a lot. And respect to all of my subscribers. And big up to all of the new subscribers. And big up to the one them who are passed through. That's so nice. But as we may say, enough people try to convince people say, yo, nothing there Jamaica. But remember this. When you come to America, the government in America make it abundantly clear to you. Say y'all are not American. And if anything, you can get sent one back to your country. No. When you go to Jamaica, I only there Jamaica, nobody can kick you out of Jamaica. No prime minister, nobody can kick you out of Jamaica because that's where you're born, that's where you're from. So don't get it twisted, my people. You see what I say? America nice to an extent. But after a while, the hustle and the bustle get to whole heap away. Me and one of them. You know what I say? The work every day, the 2 job, the bills them, light bill, cable bill, phone bill, mortgage, internet bill, insurance, and the bill them just go on and on and on and on and them never stop. And you have to work. You have some people in America then can't miss 2 days from work as them paycheck go short tremendously. So they have to make sure when them sick, they have to make sure them drag themselves go to work. We know people in America sick and afraid to call the ambulance. Because them afraid that the ambulance are going to charge them too much money where them don't have. A whole heap of people there in America, yeah, where nothing now go on for them. A whole heap of Jamaican. And enough of them would have been better off at Jamaica. A whole heap of them. But just to stay foreign and say them they are foreign, that's why them stay. Enough people, shame a kill them. Enough people, pride a kill them because them afraid what other people are going to say. As me say, in order to gain something, you have to lose something. And as me telling you in one of my videos, America is a number game. America is a number game. Everything in America is about numbers. Your bank account have the number in them, your checking account, your ID, everything have to do with numbers because America was built and numbers. You go to prison, them give you a number. You go to jail, them give you a number. So everything is built on numbers. And America is a business. People that think America is a country. Yes, it's a country, but it's a business. You catch where I come from? So for all the people who frustrated and tired, go on home, man. Go home. You see what I say? It don't make no sense to stay somewhere uncomfortable. Because if you not live in Orlando or you live in Florida, if you not live in Florida and nothing go on for in Florida, you if you leave Florida and go to Atlanta, go to New York and go somewhere else, go try. Nothing wrong with you trying. Nothing wrong with you go somewhere else and start over. The difference is for me, I am leaving the country to start over. Me not have no problem start over. Because you see the foundation are the best place. And me can't go no lower than ground. Me cannot go no lower than ground. And when you're there ground, that hunger for more, it's even better. Some people, don't be afraid. Do not be afraid. You see me I say, me not go tell no so when I go to Jamaica, me not go have trials and tribulation. Me not go sit here and come cap on the internet and come tell me so when I go to Jamaica, everything will just be a walk in the park. Me I go have struggles, me I go have tribulation, me I go have stressful days, me I go have days when things not go right, but it's such is life. Because me are foreign and me have all of that situation me I go through. Some day me don't want to come out of my bed, some day me stressed out. So me going to Jamaica, it's not going to change anything. It's going to change how me think. It's going to change how me deal with people. You see what I say? That's what I try to tell my people them. So, for all the people them like Mr. Indie Man, we tune in, we they on the program, big up on yourself. You know what I say? And don't stop dreaming. Because you have some people tell us, oh, don't stop dreaming. Because everything in a life starts from a dream. I dream to me that come America, and I come America. Me dream to me I go home after a while and I'm going home. So don't let nobody tell us you know for dream, because dream is free. That's the only thing in America right now is for free, and it's a dream. So me a dream on and me make my dream becomes a reality. You see what I say? So to all the people out there, you see what I say? Because a whole heap of people come a foreign and left them pitney a foreign. And come a foreign and come have new family. And forget them pitney in Jamaica. You catch where I come from? So America is not what it cracked up to be. Enough people there are struggle out raws. Enough people there can't not have no home. Enough people there not have no house. Have to live from apartment to apartment. You know what I say? Enough people there have them land of Jamaica and refuse from building on it because what people are tell them say and what the internet where them are read as a Jamaica this and Jamaica that. Jamaica nice. You know what I say? And there's a famous quote I will never forget in my life where a man tell me. Him tell me, say, Mr. Indie Man, if you want something different in a life, you have to do something different in a life to get it. You see what I say? I'm going to make a vow, say, you know what? I'm going to stick to this YouTube thing. I'll keep doing it. You know what I say? I'm going to post for 1 year and see what's the result. I don't know what's going to happen with this YouTube thing, but I have to do it. Just like life, we don't know what happened to when you go to Jamaica. Maybe the best thing happened to when you go home. Maybe the worst thing, but who knows? We don't have to try. We don't have to try. And I'm not afraid of failing. Because all the failures make me who me is today. It make me stronger. So I am not afraid of failing. You see what I say? And anyone I go, if you go to Jamaica, if you go stay America, wherever you want to go, if you have a plan. Because if you live America, you still have to have a plan. Or you go get by or you go better your life. If you go to Jamaica, you still have to have a plan. You see what I say? So to all of the people out there, don't afraid to take a risk. Don't afraid to take a risk, because some of the richest people out there where most people admire, the DJ, the rapper, the entrepreneur, they all take risks. That's the difference between poor people and rich people. Rich people take risks. Poor people afraid to take risks because they're afraid of the unknown and the unexpected. You cannot afraid of something that you don't know. You can't put things in your mind and say, oh, if I go to Jamaica, I go suffer, and I go dead for hungry. You can't put that in your mind. Because so a man think it so easy. Enough people will stop them from being successful in a life is their mindset. Whole heap of people nowadays, what stop them from being successful is their mindset. So don't make your mindset stop you from being successful in a life. Because you have one life to live. And if you don't live it and enjoy it, you're in a problem. Because the Bible says, what a man gain the world and lose his soul. Me not chase money, me not chase health and good wealth. Me not chase health and peace of mind. And when the wealth come, I will accept it. But me not chase health and peace of mind. That's what me are chasing in my life. Because when you reach certain stage in your life, you realize that material things don't really mean much to you. The Nike and the Jordan, the Louis Vuitton, that don't really mean much to you. Your peace of mind and your health mean more to you. You see what I say? So, like, share, subscribe, and big up on yourself. Happy Sunday. Big up on the family. Peace.